We want to make it clear that we do not verify the authenticity of the seller or the accuracy of the information regarding the cars featured in this video. The information provided by the seller may be inaccurate or unreliable. It's advisable to directly check the listed ads for more accurate information. This video is intended for the entertainment of classic car enthusiasts with knowledge and experience in this field. We are not affiliated with any party and only use random data from various online ads.
Driver's side fender. I have it sanded down. I'm sure you could end up fixing it, but if I had the money, I'd just replace the fender if I was in the right position. Exhaust. Idle's all right. Missing passenger side door panel. And then here's the floor pan. Doesn't look too hot. That hole is factory. That's not. The previous owner cut this out. I'm sure you can just take some cheap metal and weld some more in. Just a little hole.
Okay, next one up is a 1975 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. VIN number does indeed come up as a 400 car. It has been completely disassembled by whomever. There's no engine or transmission inside the car. I have them on a pallet over here under the porch. For whatever reason, they took out the dash and took it all apart as well. The seats seem to be in place. And I'll post a bunch of pictures.